Hello there, I'm Ryan Chan, CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we'll explore the intriguing world of maintenance process mapping. We'll give you a glimpse into why these maps are crucial for continuous improvement in your organization. You'll learn how to assess your current mapping process, understand the common reasons why organizations shun process maps, and take a deep dive into the nuts and bolts of what process mapping really entails. So, whether you're a seasoned veteran or a newbie to the concept of process mapping, this video will offer valuable insights for you and your team. Let's dive right in. As Ricky Smith emphasizes, without effective maintenance process maps, an organization will never achieve stable maintenance processes. This underscores the crucial role of process maps in achieving continuous improvement. Before we get started, it's important to understand your organization's current state. The first question to ask is whether your organization has maintenance process maps. If you do, it's worth pondering over a few more questions to assess your mapping process. Do all members of the maintenance team know about the existence of these maps? Are they being followed? Are your process maps linked to leading and lagging key performance indicators, or KPIs? Do your process maps have responsibility assignment matrices, also known as RACI charts, to align everyone's actions? Keep these questions in mind as we delve deeper. If you're not familiar with process maps or haven't heard about them before, then it's likely your organization isn't using them. While this isn't ideal, it's not uncommon. The top reasons why organizations do not use process maps include: no one sees the value of process maps, tried using process maps, but no one seemed to follow the process. Employees did not know how to use a process map, thinking that process mapping is only for production processes, never heard of process mapping for maintenance. The classic, you don't know what you don't know. These are the most common reasons you'll hear from organizations without process maps. Some haven't even heard about it, and to add to the last point, they have no idea what they're missing. Maintenance process mapping aligns everyone in an organization in terms of their thinking and execution process. Now, let's get into the details of what process mapping is. It's a technique of using flow charts to illustrate the steps of a process. It starts from the highest level macro perspective and goes down to the most detailed level required to identify opportunities for improvement. Process mapping focuses on the work and the required task, rather than job titles or hierarchies. The ultimate goal of process mapping is for organizations to improve efficiency by providing insight into the nitty-gritty of processes and their procedures. It enables teams to brainstorm ideas for process improvement while increasing communication and process documentation. This helps with identifying bottlenecks, repetitions, and delays. Process maps can take a variety of shapes and forms. For instance, Mount Holly, a large aluminum smelter, had a process map showing how a proactive approach to maintenance resulted in higher reliability. Another example is from the book Lean Maintenance, which features a lean process map for all processes. There's also a process map from the book Rules of Thumb for Maintenance and Reliability Engineers, which moves across the main sections named Plan, Improve, Assess, and Control. It incorporates two main loops, the sustained maintenance loop and the continuous improvement loop. And then we have process maps with swim lane, which are effective in visually identifying the groups of people or accountable units for each step of the process. Each swim lane represents a category or classification of people to which the task belongs. Process maps are essential for continuous improvement. They align everyone's vision, ensure everyone follows the same steps, and systematically identify issues. Now let's talk about how to map your organization's maintenance processes. First, determine your maintenance cost trend, which refers to labor and material costs for the past 5 years. Then, create a team of key stakeholders, which typically includes a facilitator, maintenance manager, maintenance supervisor, senior maintenance technician, maintenance planner or scheduler, store manager, and production manager. Next, educate the key stakeholders about maintenance best practices, also known as world-class maintenance. Also, educate the team about the value of mapping the maintenance process. Once everyone is on board, create a RACI chart, which stands for responsible, accountable, consulted, and informed. This clearly defines the roles of each stakeholder. Then, create a plan using the crawl, walk, run methodology. Start slow and steady. Then pick up the pace as you gain experience, knowledge, and momentum. Identify high-level maintenance process maps, which are tools that guide the process from start to finish. Also, identify leading and lagging. KP is for all maintenance process steps. Finally, meet your team. These meetings don't need to be lengthy and could typically run for 10 to 30 minutes. The agenda includes weekly progress reports, any constraints or roadblocks, and other general updates. When rolling out maintenance process maps for the first time, keep it simple. Start with a simple process and drill down into the details as you start learning. Think of your audience and adjust the level of complexity of your process maps accordingly. Maximize your CMMS or computerized maintenance management system if it allows you to store process maps. Explore available tools such as flowcharting software online or programs like Visio. And finally, have a policy for managing change. Treat your process maps as a living document and review them at least once a year. To sum it up, maintenance process maps are essential for organizations seeking continuous improvement. To refine your current processes, you first need to stabilize and standardize your procedures. Building systematic process maps enables you to keep track of your methodology, thereby allowing you to identify opportunities to improve. Thank you for watching. We've covered the importance of maintenance process maps, how to assess your current mapping process, and the steps to create effective process maps. Remember, these maps are crucial for continuous improvement in your organization. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. For additional resources, visit our website at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep mapping your way to success.